Now press AC to store. Hit Shift and 1, we opening the door. Opening the door. The data is locked, safe in the brain. Safe in the brain. Now let's extract the numbers and break the chain. Go to option 5, that's reg for the win. Reg for the find the A and the B, let the regression begin. Regression begin. Get the all the strength, correlation is tight. It's tight. Least Squares Regression Line, shining so bright. Shining so bright. AB, ABX, write it down right now. Write it down right now. Don't forget option 4, that's for on the dial. For on the dial. Standard deviation for X and Y, making us smile. Making us smile. Need to plot the line. Here is the golden key. Need to plot the line. Here is the golden key. The golden key. It passes through the mean point. Listen to me. Listen to me. X bar and yaw bar, get them from option 4. X bar and yaw bar, get them from option 4. Option 4. Plot that mean, coordinate, then draw it for sure. Draw it for sure. The mean of X. X bar. The mean of yaw. E bar. The line goes through it, don't ask why. Don't ask why. Calculate your A, calculate your B. Calculate your B. That's the equation of the line, guaranteed. Guaranteed. Go to option 5, that's reg for the win. Reg for the win. Find the A and the B, let the regression begin. Regression begin. Get the R for the strength, correlation is tight. It's tight. Least Squares Regression Line, shining so bright. Shining so bright. Mode Stat 2. Press AC Shift 1, Shift 1.
Welcome, guys. We're going to be doing previous question papers. Paper 2, we're dealing with statistics, the scatter plot specifically. We'll see how far can we go into. We'll try to do the scatter plot, and then we'll also try to do the ones of grade 11.
Yep.
Itu decided to say, let's do the one that chowed him in 2024.
All right. Okay, so this question 1, it says, at the beginning of a season, the coach of a juniors boys rugby team recorded the weight in kg of the 15 players in his team, and the number of push-ups that each player was able to do is in 1 minute. The data is represented in the table and scatter plot below. The least square regression line for the data is drawn.
Okay, so we are given scatter plot. We're also given the regression line is drawn.
Yeah.
Okay, and then they say which, if we look at the data, we want to identify with what is our X, what is our Y.
Yeah.
They say which we have the weight of the players in comparison with what? We're comparing them with the number of push-ups that a player can do,
yeah,
depending on their weight. That's what the coach was interested in. And then with that being said, what is it that we need to remember from what we already did? If we are dealing with scatter plot, let's just recap everything that we need to know about scatter plots.
Okay, the ones that we need to remember.
Yeah, we need to know how to key in our calculator.
Yeah,
the
need
data
to know
in
how to use the calculator.
Yeah,
yeah.
we need to know how to use the correct modes to get the calculator into a state mode.
Yeah.
The next thing that we need to know how to access the data that we have stored.
Yep.
Okay. Now we're going to do that because every time when we're given a data and then statistics, especially with correlation coefficient, we need to put it in our data.
Yep.
Before we answer any question, it doesn't matter the question. So it is going to start by doing that.
Okay, so then let's go to our calculator.
Okay.
Today we decided to
accommodate people.
To use that one.
To not intimidate you.
Yeah, to use that one. Mr. always said we're using the expensive one. Today we wanna use the normal one. But then, yeah, let's try using it. We are trying this at home. It's dangerous. Okay, so we're gonna start by putting our calculator to stats mode.
Yeah, we need to put it in the mode. So with this calculator that you have now, it doesn't have many modes. It has 1 comp.
Yeah.
It has 2 stats.
And
it has 3
table.
Yeah, those are the table. Those are the options that we have. With the gray one, you saw the option.
We're gonna go to option 2, which is A plus B.
Therefore, is the weight 2. Okay.
Yeah, and then we have the other person who weighs 40.
Okay, that one weighs 40.
And we have this one who weighs 27.
27, yeah.
Then we have this one who weighs 33.
33, yeah.
Then we have this one who weighs 28.
28, yeah.
Then we have this one who weighs 27.
27,
Then we have this one who weighs 55, I mean.
55
Yeah.
kg.
Then we have this one, two push-ups that are more than the one who weighs 40.
Okay.
39,
39, yeah.
44,
44. 44, yeah, I can do how many push-ups?
14.
14.
This one is flexible. 30
Yeah.
is better than 55.
57,
57 can do 8.
80 push-ups.
Yeah.
Eh, I thought the correlation was such that the slender you are,
Nope.
the more push-ups you can do.
How flexible you are, how strong you are. Not
It doesn't matter about how much you weigh.
Yeah, that one doesn't matter. And then
Is there any person who can do more than 8?
the one who can do more than 8 push-ups.
8, yeah. Is 8 or 80 this one? What is it?
8.
Or 80, or 8, not 80.
8,
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
8.
It makes sense. No, you scared me. Like, okay.
Hey, there's no way. Like I can't even do 60. But then I can do barking.
You can do it.
I can do 50.
Do it for us.
I can do 26. This person can do 26.
The one who's weighing 30
The
kg.
one who's 30 kg.
Okay.
But then Mr. I can do better. Yeah. 16.
Okay.
23. 7. 14, then it's 17. 17 is 8.
Yeah.
20. Non-disjunction again. There's a number that I missed.
Okay. Just start again. You miss it on the Y.
Yeah, on the barking, on the Y. 26. 7. 18. 14. 17. 8. 20. Yeah, but the person who weigh 28 kg can do 28 push-ups.
Okay.
Then we're gonna store our data.
Okay.
Data stored.
Did you compare, like, with everything's going exactly like with this one and this one? Okay, okay. If we did that, we are more than ready to go to the questions.
Okay.
Itu is ready. Itu can do 50 push-ups.
It can do 50 push-ups.
Okay.
But it can do more. You have to try.
Okay.
Okay, so then the first question says,
If you don't mind, you can go and show them there. Where do they access the thing?
here it is.
It says Y with a cap, no?
Yeah.
Y cap is equal to A
Y cap is equal to A plus BX.
plus BX. A will also need B, no? So
Yeah.
that you can determine the equation. Now, for those who are following us or those who've been watching, we know how to get A and B, okay?
Yeah.
So we're going to try to get that. It is going to assist us to do that. You can do that, it too.
So now I'm gonna go to our calculator. Our calculator. And on our calculator, we're gonna press Shift
Yeah.
1. So since we're dealing with metric, we're gonna go to 5 rec.
Okay.
And then go barking, go grade 10, the one that we're doing grade 10. Since very we were using barking, come what we're using.
Sense.
We're using 1 minus 1 again. Rec was not there. This one we're using A plus B, then rec is there.
Yeah, yeah.
So then we're gonna start with A. Our A
Yeah.
is equal to 39.46, which is 39.
It's what?
39.46.
39.46.
39. The same thing. AC.
AC, yeah.
Shift 1 rec B. Then our B is equal
minus?
to negative 0.
0.
Can't be 0.59.
You can check it.
0.59.
0.59.
Yeah.
0.59. Okay, therefore, the filling.
Yeah, this is
Y
Y cap
Y cap, yeah.
is equal to 39.46
39.46
minus 0.59 x.
0.59 x.
Yeah.
What do we have to do?
We have about 5.
Can we put
6.
them, all of them in the cinema?
Yeah, we can do that.
We have to submit all our memo that we've
You
created.
still already said the surprise. This was a surprise.
Oh, it was
On the
surprise.
grade 10, I said it was a surprise that we have for them. So then we have a surprise for all of you, like grade 10, starting from grade 8, grade 8 until correlation coefficient.
Yeah.
Aha, correlation coefficient.
It's R, no?
Yeah, it's R.
R.
So then when we are looking for the correlation coefficient, we are looking for R.
Yeah.
No, zor. So then we're gonna say asim shift 1, and then we're gonna go to rec, and then we're gonna go to option 3, which is R, and then R is 7.0, negative 0.797.
Negative 0.797.
Yeah.
Negative 0.97. Okay. Negative 0.97.
And we're gonna run it off to two decimal places.
What did they say? Check the correlation coefficient.
Yeah, they just said determine the correlation
Yeah,
coefficient.
so according to maths, the first instruction that we have, it says which unless stated otherwise, so we're going to have minus 0,
0.80.
0.80. Okay, it's going to be 0.80. I counted off to two decimal places.
Yeah.
Sure. Then what do we have to do then?
The next question says,
We're just determining the correlation, we're not commenting on the correlation.
no.
Okay.
The next question says, the coach uses the least square regression line to set the target for the minimum number of push-ups by each team member according to their weight.
Okay.
Predict the number of push-ups that a member of the team who weighs 29 kg should do to meet the target.
Okay. So what we're supposed to do here is to check what are we given. I think we have the equation of the least square regression line.
Yeah.
We can either be given X or we can be given Y.
Yeah.
So what are they giving us and what is it that we are looking for? That's what we want to check.
Okay, so then they give us weight, by which weight is
The
X.
Y bar
Y bar is equal to
to 39,
39 point. Can I say 39.46?
46, yeah.
Point
Minus
46 minus
0.59.
9.
It's 29,
29, just 29.
oh, it's 29, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we type this in our calculator.
Typing this in our calculator, we're gonna have 39.46 minus open bracket, or not open bracket, minus 0.59 open bracket 29. Our answer is 22.35.
So it's going to be 22.35.
0.35.
Yeah, I was speaking to Itu about this, and then Itu said it's fine, I can leave it like this. I said the number of push-ups, since it was a number of push-ups, he said this person did 22 push-ups, and then the last one, like, he was trying to do it, but he fell short.
He was trying to go for 23, but then
He
it didn't go well.
So if they said how many full push-ups did he do, we're going to say it's 22.
Yeah.
But they just said the number of push-ups that he did, so we're going to leave the answer exactly the way it is. Sometimes, guys, when it comes to our correlation, we need to check if it makes sense. Is it let's say you are calculating the number of people, you can't have 22 comma something number of people, you need to round it off.
Who's the odd?
Huh?
Who's the decimal?
Yeah, it's 22 and a half. Who's the half?
So then now we have 1.4, which says write down the mean number of push-ups for the given date.
Okay. Keyword mean,
Yeah.
average.
Mean?
It can either be X bar or Y bar.
Yeah.
Now, because we're dealing with a bifurcator, we can either have X bar or Y bar. So what are we looking for? We are looking for the mean of weight or the mean of push-ups.
Yeah, we're looking for the mean of push-ups.
Okay, let's go and look for Y bar. Where do we find Y bar? Calculate again.
Yeah, we need the calculator.
Sure.
So then let's go back to our calculator.
Yeah.
Hey, Mr. Kisho, calculator is working.
Yeah.
So then we're gonna have shift
Yeah.
1, and this time we're gonna go to var. Var, then we're gonna go.
Also, our Y bar is 18.33.
Yeah.
Y bar is equal to 18.33.
18.33.
So the average number of push-ups that they can do is 18.33. We said we're not going to round it off again.
Yeah.
Since we're not dealing with something that is physical, a person can do 18.33 push-ups.
Yeah.
It's accepted. Okay. Next question, Itu.
The next question says the players trained hard during the season. At the end of the season, the coach reported that each player was able to do 5 more push-ups per minute than they did at the beginning of the season. How does the increase of number of push-ups influence the standard deviation?
Okay, with this one here, guys, these questions, they like to ask learners about mean and standard deviation. Now, when we affect each and every value in the data, it can either also be affected by the same number or it can remain the same.
Yeah.
Understand what is this question? Now, mean is just the average of the data. And then standard deviation, it tells us about how spread is your data. How spread is your data. If you change each and every value, the spread is still going to be the same. It's not going to change. But because learners tend to forget this is what I teach them. I say, let's go to the calculator. We no longer need the data. Just check if we're still going to need the data again. Is there any question that needs the data again?
Nope.
We don't need the data again.
Yeah.
If you don't need the data again, now we're going to try something and say to the learners, let's go and take 3 values. We're going to come up with those 3 values. So that we want to check what happens to the mean, what happens to the standard deviation. So data number 1, we're going to have something like this. Let's have 3, 4, and 5.
Okay, so then I don't longer need our data.
Yeah, you no longer need the data. So just show them on the but we need the calculator, and we're going to show them on there.
Let me start the calculator.
Okay. You don't have to do that. You just have to go to mode. We're going to put it on 1 plus or on the one of grade 10, the first one, option 1. On 1 minus var, we're going to key in this value. We're going to take the first option. Actually, it says x.
Yeah.
So we put 3, we put 4, we put 5.
3, 4,
and 5.
And 5.
So after you've put this value here, you could have done this thing practical, because the only thing that I always say to learners they should check if they don't want to go in this direction is just to check the mean. If you check the mean, if the mean is the one that is changing, it means standard deviation is going to remain the same. If the mean is remaining the same, the standard deviation is going to be the one that changes. So what you need to do then is to get the mean of this thing. I think it's 3 plus 4 plus 5.
Yeah.
If you say 3 plus 4 plus 5 is going to give you something like, I think it's 12. So you say 12, and then you have 12 divided by 3 values. For you to get the mean, you're going to say 12 divided by 3, which gives you 4. So that's the average. But if you key in it there, you can get the mean.
I already did it by the calculator.
Okay, you got what, 4?
Yeah, I got 4.
Yeah. So write 4. And then check the standard deviation also.
Standard deviation.
Remember, you don't have to write this anyway. It's you just reminding yourself in the exam. So you say, what is the standard deviation?
Standard deviation is 0.82.
0.82. So this is the standard deviation, 0.8. This one tells us how spread is the data. The data is not spread. Can you see we have a stronger standard deviation? It means our data is not